Let's make a thank you bag for my vendors. Here's what the bag looks like. All right, let's get started. So I went to Walmart and Costco for all the items here on this list. Costco, I only went for the water bottles. I could have bought them at Walmart, but it was cheaper at Costco. Everything else is from Walmart. So what I have here is I have Deer Park water bottles with a flip top. So that'll go in the bag. I just have these, like these are all the water bottles right here. I have 7 vendors. Then I have pens, which I already had these at home. I got notepads, tissues, 2 different types of water drinks. So the water bottles, they can use the water bottle, and then there is a cooler on site that they could fill it back up. And then I got everyone little lotions and hand sanitizer. So the hand sanitizer and the water bottles were the most important to me. I felt like those were the most important elements. And I was very disappointed with the selection that they had at Walmart. I wish I would have bought them online with enough time, because then I could probably have gotten more or better quality as well for cheaper, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up. So here is my bag. Let me give you a look inside. So here's what the bag looks like on the inside. We've got the water bottle, tissues, pen, 2 of the little energy packs, hand sanitizer, and lotion. How I put the writing on the bag is I have the stamp set here, the Great Big Greetings from the Stamp Market. So I just use this thank you, and then I have a big block. And I used my favorite ink, which is VersaFine Clair Nocturne. And I just inked this guy up. It is a big stamp, so it does take a bit to ink it. There's a little string right there, so I need to get that off. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and stamp right in the middle of the bag. Now I'm not using my MISTI, so I'll need to make sure that it's stamped best possible. Then I'll hold the bag while I lift up the block. It's not perfect, that's okay. I do have this guy here, which is the same as this ink pad, so I could use this to fill in the gap. I'm not too concerned. It's just a thank you bag, so I will set that aside and do the rest. An important step in stamp maintenance is to always clean your stamps. And don't clean them later, don't clean them the next day. You need to clean them right after you're done using them. You can use a microfiber cloth to use them. I'm using just a baby wipe. Not all baby wipes are created equal. Some of them will end up making a mess on your stamp, like the little bits come off on them. This right here is Huggies Natural Care. These seem to work really well for me. Something that some people do if they are using a lot of different stamps and are going to clean them at the end is they'll have like a bowl of water, and they'll just take the stamp and they'll just stick it in the water until they're done, and then they'll clean all the stamps at one time. But you definitely don't want the ink to saturate and to destroy your stamp. So make sure you have good stamp maintenance and care. See, nice and clean. That's why it's my favorite ink. I just wanted to put these little bags together as a thank you to my vendors. This is my first event, and I just want to make sure that every vendor feels like they are cared for and that they want to come back and be a vendor with me again. So that being said, I didn't spend a ton of money on these bags because it is just a thank you. It's a little token. So I spent $33.57 at Walmart, and that's including the $7 for this guy. And then I spent $4 at Costco. So I spent less than $30 at Walmart for these bags. And for 7 vendors, that means that I spent about $4.20. And even with that, I have a couple of Kleenex left over. I have a couple of the energy packs over. I have a ton of the waters left over. I have these notepads left over. The only thing I don't have extras of is the lotion and the hand sanitizer, because those were individual. So the both of these guys were $1.74 each. The Kleenex, the 3-pack was 97 cents. The Legal Pad 3-pack was 88 cents, which is about, I think it was 20 something cents each. And they did have these little spiral notebooks, which were like 26 cents. They were about the same price. And I just thought the notepads would be better than the little notebooks. So that's just my opinion. And then the lotions were 97 cents and the hand sanitizers were $1.14. So I think that people will appreciate them. We'll see how it goes down, if people end up liking them or not liking them, and I'll probably do it again for my next event. I just want to, if I could do a little something to make someone a little happier. You know, I didn't receive any vendor bags ever from an event, but I know if I got one, it would make me want to work with that person again. I don't know, it's just a little thoughtful thing. So let me know what you think I should have added in the bag in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.